The next way you'll learn how to write the equation of a line is using point-slope form. And just like in slope-intercept form, you plug in a slope and an intercept. In point-slope form, you plug in a point, which is represented by x1 and y1, which will always be given to you, and the slope, which may not be given to you explicitly, but you'll be given enough information to find it. So, let's do an example together. In this example, we're asked to find the equation of a line that passes through the points 1, 8 and -2, 6, and to write it in point-slope form. So, all we need is a point on the line, well, we have two of them, and a slope. Well, we don't have the slope, but we can certainly find it given 2 points. So to do that, we'll use the slope formula. So we'll start off by doing y2 minus y1, so 8 minus 6 over x2 minus x1, 1 minus -2. And if we simplify, we get that the slope is 2 over 3. Now, we can use either of these points, 1, 8 or -2, 6 to write it in slope-intercept form. So there's actually two correct answers. One of them would be y minus the y-coordinate of the first point, y minus 8, equals 2/3 times x minus the x-coordinate of the same point that 8 came from. So we'll have to use 1. So that's one correct answer. Another way would be to use the other point. So we'll say y minus 6, the other y-coordinate, equals 2/3 times x minus -2. Now, it's not really nice to write something as minus a negative number, so we can rewrite that as +2. And although your instincts might tell you to distribute that 2/3, you do not, to keep it in point-slope form, and you just leave it like that. And here are two separate correct answers. So now, I would like you to try one. So, I would pause your video, try this problem on your own, and then hit play when you want to see how you did. Now, just know that there are two correct ways to do it. So, if you're feeling ambitious, try to write the equation in two different ways in point-slope form. Alright, so remember, with point-slope form, we need a point and a slope. We have our 2 points, so now we just need a slope. So, to find the slope, we're going to do the change in y over the change in x. So I'm going to do y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. So the slope is going to be 3 minus -8, which is the same as 3 plus 8, which is 11, over 5 minus 10, which is -5. So there's our slope, and now we can write two correct point-slope forms. One of them being y plus 8, since it'd be y minus -8, you'd rewrite that as y plus 8, is equal to 11 over -5 times x minus 10. So that's one correct answer. If you got that, give yourself a pat on the back. Nice job. Another correct answer would be using the other point. So we'd write y minus 3 equals 11 over -5 times x minus 5. That's also correct. If you got that one too, nice job. I hope this video was helpful, and have a good one.